Welcome to Gumuk Pasir Jogjakarta, a natural phenomenon that is so rare. You can only find it in Indonesia. Who would have thought, in the middle of the greenery of Java Island, there is a stretch of desert that reminds us of vast deserts in other parts of the world. The Parangkusumo sand dunes are a natural tourist attraction in Bantul Regency, Yogyakarta. It is located to the west of Parangtritis Beach, namely in Parangtritis Village, Kretek Subdistrict, Bantul Regency, Yogyakarta Special Region. This sand dune has a number of special features because it is only limited in the world. Here, you can enjoy exciting experiences, such as riding in a jeep or just enjoying the sunset, which adds to the beauty of the atmosphere. The Gumuk Pasir have become a World Heritage Site by forming coastal deposits that reach a height of 20 mpl. There are only 4 countries in the world that have sand mountains, one of which is Indonesia. And this is an extraordinary phenomenon. With beauty that never fades, Gumuk Pasir Jogja is clear proof of how rich and full of surprises Indonesia's nature is. It's no wonder that this place is a favorite destination for photographers, nature lovers, and anyone looking for tranquility. With beauty that never fades, Gumuk Pasir Jogja is clear proof of how rich and full of surprises Indonesia's nature is. It's no wonder that this place is a favorite destination for photographers, nature lovers, and anyone looking for tranquility.